Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can cancel bids on eBay, so let's get right into it. Now, I'll be using a mix of this customer service article and the official eBay site to give you directions because I don't have currently any bids standing or any sales at the current moment, and the only way that you can cancel a bid is if you're a seller. Pretty sure if you're a buyer, you can request from the seller to cancel your bid, and then it's on the seller to cancel it. So to actually cancel your bid, you need to go to canceling bids placed on your listing, and for that, I'm pretty sure you just need to go into your eBay page, then go into selling, and once you're here, then you will be able to go into active or whichever tab it is. And once you're in your listings, then you can access that listing and cancel the bid from there, if I'm correct with this, because if I open up this link over here, as you can see, it can't find my item, so because I don't have it, so I can't really search for it. Then you can very easily go to this link and then just enter the item number, the username of the member whose bid you're canceling, and the reason for it, and then select submit. Or you can click this cancel a bid button, which takes me to this page in this case, which as you can see, they can find any items from my recent eBay activity, so you can search them up. But pretty much just go to your listings, and you can then access your listing from there, and you'll be able to cancel any bids from there. And as I mentioned, if you're a buyer who placed the bid, then you're gonna need to contact the seller and ask them to cancel it. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.